Hi students, happy morning to all. Welcome to 7th standard video. Today we are going to learn about term 3 unit 2 prose. Term 3 unit 2 prose, a story of self-sacrifice and bravery. A story of self-sacrifice and bravery. Okay students, shall we move? Many people become engineers, doctors, IAS officers, film stars, and so on. But few become human. But few become human. Look at the pictures. First one is army officer who helped to another army officer. Soldier, that is soldiers. And second picture, one boy is helping to old woman. And third picture, Annai Teresa. Fourth one man helped to another man. So many people become engineers, doctors, IAS officers, film stars, and so on. But few become human. Okay, students. Can you think of a situation in which taking a small action would make a big difference? What about everyday heroes who do small but important acts? Are these people really heroes? What makes a person a hero? How do heroes make a difference? Does every hero have to fight or risk their life? Okay. Now come to the lesson. It's a story of self-sacrifice and bravery. It was the morning of September 5, 1986. The aircraft Ban AM Flight 73 with 360 passengers on board had just arrived from Mumbai and was ready to depart from Jinnah International Airport in Karachi for its destination, the United States. Unfortunately, the flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists while it was parked at Karachi Airport. Hijacked means illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship, etc. The passenger on the plane hailed from different countries. There were Indians, Germans, Americans, and Pakistanis among others. The terrorists were more intent on targeting the Americans. When Nirja was told to collect the passports of the passengers, Nirja managed to hide their passports and distract them down the rubbish chute. With her help, at least 39 American passengers were saved out of 41. The hijackers wanted to fly to Israel and crash the plane against a building. On being confronted with this unexpected, a sudden event causing great damage or distress, Nirja immediately sprang into action. She attempted first and foremost to alert the pilots in the cockpit of the hijacked plane so that they could save themselves. When the terrorists saw that they attacked violently. So she then passed on the warning in a code which alerted the pilots. As per the mandate, they made an escape through the alternate exit so that the terrorists were at a loss of pilots who would be forced to fly the plane to the terrorist destroyed location. The nightmare on the aircraft continued for long. The frustration means the feeling of annoyance who one's action are prevented from progressing or succeeding. The frustration and helplessness of the terrorists grew every hour and their patience was running out. 17 hours into the hijack, the plane ran out of the power. So the terrorists lost their cool and opened fire on the passengers. Armed with gerunds, plastic explosives and pistols, the terrorists raised hell on board. Taking advantage of the course on the terrorist senselessness, Nirja leapt into action at this point of time. She shed all her hesitation and fears and worked her way and evacuating as many passengers as she could. She could have run away from, she knew the escape routes well, but she didn't. She waited selflessly in the face of death to help the ones around her. As she was about to exit herself, she noticed 3 children who were left in the flight. They needed her help in escaping. As the brave heart received the kids, she was hit by the bullets fired by one of the terrorists. The wounds inflicted were fatal, and Nirja eventually succumbed to them. By a cruel twist of fate, this heroic young girl passed away. So, classary, hijacked, illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship, etc. Calamity, a sudden event causing great damage or distress. Assaulted, attacked violently. Frustration, the feeling of annoyance when one's action are prevented from the progressing or succeeding. Inflicted, caused something unpleasant to be suffered by. Okay, students. This is a story of self-sacrifice and bravery, section 1. We will see in the next video, section 2. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.